Want to use less data when watching YouTube videos on your phone? In this video, I'll show you how to enable data saver mode on the YouTube mobile app. Now let's get started. To begin, open YouTube and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Settings. Tap Video Quality Preferences. To use the least amount of data, select Data Saver. This will provide lower video quality but prevent data wastage. If you like, you can also change your video quality setting for when you're streaming on Wi-Fi networks. That's all it takes to enable Data Saver on the YouTube mobile app. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.